Hello Mitro. Hi friends. Friends, this video is regarding a transit that is taking place on the 14th of April. As we all know that on the 14th of April, Mars is going to take a transit from Taurus to Gemini sign. It will yet and still remain in the same nakshatra called Mrigashira. In Gemini sign, Mars is going to remain till the 2nd of June, after which it will transit into the next sign of Cancer, where Mars is known as debilitated or Nicha in that particular sign. We need to understand that Mars is getting into a sign which is ruled by Mercury. This sign in the natural zodiac sign as well is the third house of communication. Mars is going to be roughly in the Mrigashira nakshatra till the 25th, and then it will go into the next nakshatra in Gemini sign called Ardra. Let us understand for each sign, right from Aries to Pisces. I want you to understand this particular transit of Mars, which is normally for around 45 days, how it's going to behave. I would again request you that when you are looking at the charts that I have made on the board, you have to look from the moon sign as well as the Lagna sign. As I explained to you last time also, the moon represents your mind, you yourself, and the Lagna is how people are looking at you or how the perception is being formed. So let us move to the board. You can see I have only worked from Aries to Virgo on the board right now. In my next, I would talk about from Libra to Pisces. Let's talk about the first sign, Aries, how Mars transit is going to have an impact on you. Now, Mars is going to be in the third house, as you can see, the house of sibling, your younger sister, brother, neighbors, friend circle, short travels. It talks about your efforts, mask, media, communication, everything is there from here. As I always told you, and as a principle, we have to see Mars is coming from where? It is the Lagnesh, the ascendant lord, into the third house. Fine. It is the lord of the 8th house also. You can see Aries and Scorpio sitting in the third house. So the energies are going from the 8th house and it is from the Lagna. 8th house I consider always as a transformation, something which is going to happen all of a sudden. Aries is you yourself. Now, sitting over here, it is going to have an effect. It looks, Mars or looks at the 4th house, 7th house and the 8th house, right? Okay. So the 4th house is here. I made an eye over here. You can see it is looking at your 6th house, 9th house and the 10th house. Now, in the 6th house, it may increase your blood pressure. At the same time, if you previously had some problem with your health, you will be recovering out of it also. Be very careful with legal dispute, investments and everything, which do not take any risk as far as financial matters are concerned. It is looking at the ninth house, which is the house which takes you abroad. It is your house which mentors you, which teaches you. It's a religious house. It's a house of luck. So it is having an eye over here. So if you are, because this is also a travel house, this is also a travel house. So I clearly say, if you are looking for something to go abroad or having anything to do with abroad, it's happening. You see that Mars is looking after the 8th aspect on Capricorn, which falls into your 10th house. Saturn is there. As I have always told you, whenever Mars Saturn or Saturn Mars aspect, conjunction, or Mars Rahu, these combination, I always say, on a mundane level causes some problem. Now these problems would be, understand that this is a planet of limitation. This is a planet which is a soldier, Senapati. Okay, his action, and it is into his own nakshatra. But yet, Mars looking over here gives you recognition at the workplace, whichever profession you are into. It will give you promotion, or it may give you a new job as well. So these are the areas where, and I would say for Aries, it's going to be a good a transit till the 2nd of June. So all the best. Let's go to the next one. If you are a Taurian, if you happen to be a Taurian by Lagna or by moon sign, then you will see that Mars is in the 2nd house. Here, I've shown Mars over here. It rules the 12th house and it rules the 7th house, house of marriage and loss, expenses, abroad, divinity, all those things. Now, I have clearly mentioned over here, you will have gain of money, but because it is ruling your 12th house as well, so I see money coming also, and at the same speed, it's going out also. So control your expenses and control your tongue, because this is a house of speech. You could be very harsh. You do not know what are you talking. You may go very blunt. So this could be a little problem for people who have what? Taurus as a moon sign or Taurus as a Lagna. Mars from here with the 4th aspect is looking at the 6th house, 7th house, 8th house and the 9th house. Now, Mars looks over here, love affair, children, creativity, good time, but no harsh words. Good time, but no harsh word. You have to even understand that if it is looking after it's got an energy of the 12th house also. And if it is looking at this house and you are into a relationship, because it's a house of loss, that energy is there and it is looking at the 5th house. So be very, not taking risk into investment, children, romance, all those things also you have to make sure and understand that Mars has got a capacity and the energy from the 12th house. Now, it is coming from the 7th house also. So I see there are conflicts possible with your life partner, business partner, or whatever it is. And the reason would be that you are not giving enough time. Okay, you're not giving enough time. So what you have to do is just give quality time to your partner. How much ever busy you are, but you must remove some time for your partner. I see accidents over here because it is looking up right from here. It is looking over here. So health issues, accident does not major accidents, I say, but accident is possible. This is a house of occult. So you are into occult, something doing in astrology, tarot, or whatever it is. You may be even full of action. It is looking after your 9th house also, where there is already Saturn. Saturn is here, and you have to understand Saturn also rules the 10th house also, and it is sitting over here. So new job offers could come, and new maybe promotion, new offers, or you will get a appraisal in your company. That's possible. So Taurus. Coming to Gemini. Now coming to Gemini, let's talk over here. Mars is sitting in the Lagna itself. So there is positivity, there is action, there is energy, energy level is very high, and but Mars being over here make you very short tempered, may give you headaches, so you have to take care of this also. Mars is sitting over here and coming from the 11th house of income, and it is coming from the 6th house as well. Okay, so 6th house and 11th house, this is good. Income is coming over here, but disease, Dustana house energy is coming over here. So you have to take care of your health. So health issues, accidents occur is possible, but income is coming to you, so you will have lot of areas from where you will earn money. Because Mars is sitting over here looking at the 7th house, obviously argument with the partner, argument with your wife, argument with your business partner or colleague or whatever you say, you may have that problem over here. So this is all about Mars. Mars also, has got a eye over here. See, you can see this is a house of property. So gain in property I can see, domestic happiness I can see, because Mars has got the 11th house energy, fulfillment of desire. But we should not forget, Mars is also carrying the energy of the 6th house as well. So take care of your health of your mother as well. This is the house of mother. Now coming over here to sign Cancer, you can see that Mars is in the 12th house itself. I would want to talk about it is not a good thing. So Mars is sitting over here in the 12th house, and it relates to which houses? It is from the 5th house, it's coming over here. It's coming from the workplace, profession house, 10th house. Right? So what we have to do is, let us understand Mars is looking after the 3rd house. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This house I have made an eye. This house I have made an eye, and this house I have made an eye. So it is looking at this houses, it's carrying the energy of this house in the 12th house. That means income will come to you through abroad. Anything to do with abroad. You're not going abroad, but it's coming from abroad. Lot of efforts is required because it is putting an eye over here. Lot of efforts, mental tension, avoid travel, conflicts with sibling also is possible. It is looking after the state, it is looking after the 6th house. But let us first talk about your 5th house also. There is a risk in investment because the investment energy has gone and settled into the loss. So if you put anything into the 5th house, you may incur some losses. So health issues could be there. Spouse health also could be affected. Please understand, there is an element, okay, of loss with in this chart. So spouse health could also be affected. Income from abroad, I've already told you. Now let's talk about the 12th house. Try to avoid travels because this is a travel house. This is also a travel house. Fine. Try to avoid travels. It's an unfavorable time till the 2nd of June. Just be calm and don't panic. Nothing is wrong actually. And control your expenses, especially when you are making an expense which is actually not required. Just have a little, your hand a little tight. Coming to Leo, the next sign. Okay. Mars, Mangal is in the 11th house, a very good position for Mars to be in the 11th house, and it is ruling the 4th house and the 9th house. I think it's just beautiful for people who have got ascendant Leo or moon sign Leo. Now, if you look at it, let's look the 4th house, gain of property. From somewhere, if you're putting your hand into a property or comfort or buying something for your home, benefit is coming, gain is there. Good for investment, good for children, good for your love, romance, whatever you call it. It's Saturn is over here. You will win over your enemies. If there is a legal dispute, you will win the dispute. And always remember, whenever Saturn in your birth chart, if you have a Saturn over here, don't fight your battle, because Saturn will take care of your enemies. Don't do anything. Let them do whatever they want. They will vanish automatically. Now, your luck is getting enhanced. So, any work that has got stuck somewhere, you are getting a release out of that. Transfer order could come to you. There could be a promotion on the card. You may make new strategies for your career or for your business or whatever it is. Something is coming new in your profession and something good is coming to you. That's for sure. Virgo. Now Virgo, you have to see Mars is in the 10th house, a good position. Ruling the 3rd house, ruling the 8th house. Now it has got the energy of the 3rd house, communication, 8th house, sudden transformation, something sudden happening. Now it is looking at the 1st house, 4th house and the 5th house. Let's understand. Full of action, you will be full of action, okay? And you will be very busy, not enough time to give to your family also or your loved ones also. So that also could be a little problem, I would say. Temperament may go a little fine. Health issues is also a problem. So you have to guard against health, because again the 8th energy, Mars is caring. Okay. So give quality time at home. You have to spend some time at home, because people who love you, they need you also. Change of residence also is possible if you're looking for a new house, whether it is rented or whether you want to buy or you want to go for a whatever it is. But I see a change of residence could also means that change of geographical shift also. So you could leave your city and go somewhere, also possible. So Saturn, spend time with your loved ones. Again, here it is the Saturn. Saturn is already over here, and because this house is getting a little, that energy of 8th house, Mangal, I want you to spend some time over there. Give time to your loved ones. Mars is giving you career growth, change of the job, keeping you very busy, and your schedule is very tight. Fine. So this is what it is. Now I'm making a chart from Libra to Pisces. Hang on for a moment. Okay friends, so before we had from Aries to Virgo, and now we have on the board from Libra to Pisces, right? So let's start. We are talking about Mars Mangal, which is going to shift on the 13th, 14th of April, right up to 2nd of June. Now, if you are a moon sign or a ascendant and Libra, if you are a Libran by moon sign or ascendant, then let's see what is in store for you. See, as you can see that for you, where is Mars? Mars is sitting in the 9th house. Fine. The house it rules, that means the energy it will carry is from the 7th house over here and the 2nd house. This is the wealth, this is your spouse. Okay. Let's start from the ascendant itself. It will give you a mixed result. Not very good, not very bad. You have to please understand the 2nd house is all about speech, and we talk about Mangal or Mars. It's always a little harsh. Control your speech, control your tongue so that you don't spoil relations in life. Okay. There would be gain of money, but because it is also the 12th house which is being looked by Mangal from here, so there's going to be income and the expenses hand to hand. You may get shoulder pain or you may get pain in your legs. Now this house does not actually signifies your leg, but when you look at this combination over here, see, you have to always do not forget that Mangal has got an aspect on Saturn and Jupiter has an aspect on Mangal. Fine. So whenever Mars is looking at Saturn in the Capricorn sign, the signification or the houses pertaining to will also get enhanced. So Mars is sitting over here in the ninth house. Is always many people talk about this as your legs as well, the thigh part of it. So you may get pain over here. Saturn is sitting over here, you can see. Now Saturn also is looking in, it has been aspected, plus it is looking at 1, 2, 3, this house as well. So Saturn being over here, as you know, for Librans, it is a Dhaya period. It is a small panoti going on for you. So that is why I told you it's going to be a mixed result for you. Avoid investment till the 2nd of June until and unless Mars, Mangal traverses from Gemini sign to sign of Cancer. Your 6th house is not required. 8th house also is very clear. But here, you will spend a good time with your spouse, but there could be differences as far as religion is concerned. So maybe your wife or your husband may talk, you may get into an argument on religious basis. Try to avoid it. It will not serve any purpose. Arguments with the seniors at workplace also is indicated, may need advice of a senior person or a consultant. You may need advice. Okay. Now, why am I talking about in the 10th house where there is no aspect of Mangal, but you must see that there is an aspect of Saturn over here. Fine. Plus, you have to even see that this house also rules your service and service place. As I told you, from here, if you look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Jupiter is looking at Mars. So we have to take into this also into consideration. So I was speaking about that you may require a consultant. Now, expenses and unsuccessful travels. If you travel, your travels will not bring any result. So it is best that if you can avoid, that would be great. Anyway, now, Scorpio. I'm talking about people whose moon sign or ascendant is Scorpio. As you can see, for you, Mars is going to be in the 8th house. Now, I will be very clear about it. Till the 2nd of June, people who are Scorpio by Lagna or Scorpio by moon sign, take care of yourself. The reason, difficult time till 2nd June, though there is a Viparit Raj Yoga formed. The 6th house Lord is sitting in the 8th house. So speech has to be controlled because Mars is looking after the 2nd house. Travel would be difficult. Lot of effort has to be put over here. Saturn is already there in that house. We have to consider that also. If you look at your 6th house, health issues and stomach aches, some stomach pain, stomach infection could enhance the problems which are already there. You have to maintain very good relationship with your spouse and your in-laws. Now, this is the house of your in-laws, because if this is your family, this is your wife's family, right? This is your family. This is your wife's family. Mars is sitting over here. Take care. Do not try to avoid conflicts with your in-laws, because that may lead problem over here, like with your spouse as well. Problems will be at workplace and efficiency would go a little low. Whether you are a businessman or you're working somewhere, you are into a corporate, whatever it is. Income will be low and conflicts could be with the social, with your friends also, you may get into some problems. So for Scorpio, and this is the only sign I would say, just keep yourself calm and composed. There's no other way, there's no other remedy for it. If your moon sign or your ascendant is Sagittarius, that case, Mars is looking after your Lagna, your 2nd house, sitting in the 7th house. So let us see what Mars is holding. Mars sitting over here, I have not written anything over here, but this is not a very good position as far as your business partner or your life partner is concerned. Fine. There could be a little bit of conflict, and this conflict could be more to do with the anger issue, the ego issues, and all those things. So just remain calm. Saturn is sitting over here, aspected by Mars. Differences in family, ups and downs are seen for Sagittarius, but a very favorable time for business, job, because I see new opportunities coming, promotions are coming, and appraisals are also coming your way. Profits are coming from abroad. You can see over here, profits are coming from abroad. And otherwise, for Sagittarius who are currently just at the end of Saraswati period, things are opening up for you. Opportunities are coming your way. You have to make sure whatever lesson has been taught by Shani Dev, by Saturn, and if you have rectified those areas, if you have learned the lesson, then Shani Dev or Saturn is going to bless you with lot of opportunities. But currently till the 2nd of June, Mars sitting over here would be a little difficult. And even after that, when it comes in the 8th house, you have to wait till Mars reaches up to in the sign of Leo for you. Coming to Capricorn. Now Capricorn is in the midst of Saraswati. It is in the middle of Saraswati. Capricorns have been facing a lot of problems in life. And I know so many of them because I've been doing consultancy for a long time, and many people have been suffering due to this particular Saraswati. Now is a fresh energy. Now is a quality time at home and domestic happiness. Now Mars is giving you success in service. It's giving you victory over enemies and legal disputes. If you are into legal dispute, you can see Mars is looking after the 12th house over here. Here it is there. It is looking after it's giving you first fresh energy from here in the 6th house. And as you know, Mars is very good or said to be very good in the 3rd, 6th and 11th house. So this is a very good period for Capricorns. Now, luck will favor you, will start favoring you now. Luck will start favoring you now. Immense success in career, promotions, salary hike would be there. All those things are coming your way. You will have a good income after a long time. Social circle also will increase now. Many people have left you in Saraswati. Many people who you thought that your friends would help you and they did not. Maybe now when they will realize that you are gaining the momentum, they will come back to you. It's like, wherever there is a jaggery, there you will see flies coming over here. That's a very, very common phenomena. That's why I say, you are by yourself, alone in life. There's nobody in the time of distress. People would leave you and go. The near and the dear ones also. Hidden enemies and foreign travel will give you gain. And if there are some hidden enemies trying anything, or if you are into legal dispute, you will definitely win the victory. You will be victorious in that. You will have a verdict in your favor. Now, Capricorn, good. Coming to Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi. Now, Aquarius, very favorable time. I see a transfer because this is the 3rd house. 3rd house is the 12th from the 4th, from the hometown to 3rd house. So I see a transfer, but transfer where? You see this particular planet, okay? This particular planet is sitting over here. This house and this house energy, the profession and a communication is sitting over here. Good ideas, good concepts are coming your way. But Mangal over here, as I always told you, it spoils some relationship with the relatives that are signified by that house. So just be a little into a coordination with your children is important. Maybe you may be very harsh on them, or they may back answer, and then you may get a little hurt. That area will be taken care of. It's only a day it's only for 45 days. So just be calm. Ups and downs would be there with your spouse or your partner. The reason is the 5th house, which is a house of love, affection, has got Mars. I always told you evil planet always has got two aspects. Material, it will always be gainful, but relationship, it will definitely spoil. So if you are into a relationship, if you are in love, that area there could be a misunderstanding, lot of misunderstanding in fact. So they take care of that area. Take care of your health too. Okay, your health also. Mars is looking. The fourth aspect is falling over here. There could be a lot of gas and lot of acidity. Gas because Mars is in the Aries sign. Air element is there. So take care of that. Success, promotion, transfer order may be to a undesired location. There is success. There is promotion. There could be a transfer order to a location which is, you may not like it, but that is where success is there for you. But positive result will definitely come out of that. So you may not even initially you may not like the place where you have been transferred or the position you have been transferred to, but eventually you will gain from that. Then you will see Mars is also looking after the 12th house, which is of income from abroad. If you are planning to go abroad, if you have got working for MNC, multinational companies, so 12th house is there. Mars is looking after the 11th house. It's a income. So I would say here I see your income will increase, and this is a foreign country. So foreign travel is possible. If you are into import and export, you are getting gain. Both the houses are getting affected over here. So relax. Just take care of your children and take care of your partner. These two areas could be a little difficult. Otherwise, everything is perfect. Don't worry. Please understand, you have just entered into Sadhasati period. Do not rule out that aspect also. Plus, Saturn also is sitting over here in the 12th house. We have to always consider the Saturn, and Mars is looking over here. But the good thing is Jupiter has come over here. So Guru is here. Guru is taking care of the 5th house and the 9th house. It's a good time. Don't have to bother. Jupiter is doing his job. Saturn is limiting. Mangal is in full action. Last sign, Pisces. This is mean Rashi, Pisces. Now for Pisces, if you see, Mars is in the 4th house of domestic happiness, property, landed property, all those areas. You will have increase in the wealth because the 2nd lord and the 9th lord of luck is into the 4th house, which means if you buy, domestic happiness is there, buying home, buying land, new house, new thing is very good. But as I told you, the relationship of that house gets affected. So take care of your mother's health. That's very important. Ego clashes with spouse is possible because 1, 2, 3, 4, Mangal is looking after the 7th house. So take care, don't get into ego clashes with your husband. And health also could be affected. Now why? Health could be affected because you see Mangal is looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 this house, and Mangal is ruling this house. Both are known as Marka house. So the effect may come over here in the 8th house. Fine. So take care of your health. There would be a lot of hard work. There would be hard work, but the hard work will bring good results also. Job transfer again to a undesired place, and so that may cause a little tension, but don't, just remain calm. The transfer would eventually be good for you. Good income is coming your way. Income from abroad is coming your way. So if you are into import, export, working for MNC or something like that, if you are looking to go abroad, these things are favoring you, no doubt about it. So this was all about the transit of Mars into the sign of Gemini. So everything seemed to be okay. And let me tell you one thing. Do not forget that Mahadasha, Antardasha also has its own effect. If it's a good Mahadasha, good results can be predicted or expected, anticipated. And do not forget that Jupiter has got the aspect on Mangal, and Saturn also has got Saturn, Mangal has got an aspect on Saturn. So Mangal is checking Saturn, Guru is checking Mangal. So wisdom is coming from Guru to Mangal. So Mangal will going to be more. And I am not talking about any mundane what's going to happen in politics or in the world and all those things, because this is something on a very personal level. If I get time, if I feel like, I'll definitely make a video on what's going to happen, though I know things are going to get into a anyway. Take care of yourself. Even if something negative have spoken about you, do not get disturbed at all, because eventually he is the planner and the blessings come from top. Saturn, planets have got their own role, but then it's all about your good work, blessings on you. If you have not done anything wrong for anyone, nothing can harm you. That's for sure. Take care of yourself. Do like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell icon so that my video reaches up and I get a little increase in my subscribers. I'm being too selfish. Anyway, thank you so much. Take care.